I have all my felt here because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a stuffed animal. Of course, you're going to need a sewing kit. You're going to need to know how to sew. And you're going to need felt. I'm doing a security guard for, it can really be anything like Five Nights at Freddy's. It can be, it could be like Five Nights at Freddy's, One Night at Plumpty's, anything. In my case, I made a scratch game. There's something on my computer. Okay, can be from really any game like that. Right now, in my case, I'm doing One Night at Derpy Ninjas, which is the game I made. I actually have other plushies based on that, which I might make a plush episode on, but I'm gonna need a belt bigger than that. More belt than that. There's a lot of felt spilling out. So much felt. Oh, and also, what you're gonna need is felt. Obviously, this is what the plush is gonna be made out of. You're gonna need stuffing, you're gonna need thread, and fabric paint. You're also gonna need scissors. You're also gonna need like fabric paint or a permanent marker, which I'm using. And stuffing. I'll be right back. Stuffing. There, so here. For this security guard, you're going to need yellow and blue felt, stuffing, permanent marker, or fabric paint. You can go into more detail as I'm using scissors and thread. So first, start out by taking your yellow felt and say, why don't you just cut a pretty large square? Okay. And once you have like a little rectangle like this, I actually said cut a square, but I trimmed mine down a little and made a rectangle. Instead, make a rectangle. Make a rectangle. Right, like that. And then cut it in half. So you have like two decently sized squares, and make sure they match up to each other. You might need to trim a little on them, but it's okay. You're gonna need to trim a little, always, because they're never exact fits. Kind of like misfits. And once you got a good sized one like that, you're good with that felt. Cut a little blue thing, kind of like that with blue felt. Um, make sure it looks like the security guy's hat, kind of like that. It'll look better later. Um, take whatever color thread you're using. In this case, I'm using kind of like a bluish purplish, but it's really dark, so it kind of looks black. It's actually really hard to see on the camera, but that's it for you guys. Yeah. Okay, so also a little disclaimer. Actually, it's not really a disclaimer or anything. Be careful, all of you guys. Be careful when using a needle. It can result in some injuries. You can hurt yourself. It's a needle, so be careful. Be careful, that's all I have to say. Also, my scissors are weirdly enough magnetic. So, I actually couldn't find my pen earlier. Actually, just learned how to sew yesterday, and I've been making a lot of little plushies. That was an awkward stare, but just sew the hat on. If you know how to sew it on. You can glue it on, but I wouldn't suggest that. If you know how to sew, bingo, you got a good plushie right there. My cat's being cute and adorable and nice. Really, I literally pulled it so hard that it just came apart. Oh, you can probably see little bit of her right there, right there. Her tail might wag across. She's really cute. Yeah. This can get really boring. So if you don't want to sit here watching me sew this for like 6 minutes, then skip. It's pretty boring. I'd suggest skipping. Actually, I'm actually gonna draw the details on them right now. If you draw with a permanent marker on felt, you may notice some strings are sticking out. I always go in with scissors and kind of like trim off the excess fur up there. Cleans it up a little bit. Okay, if you didn't already, I'd suggest skipping to when I'm done sewing this. Because this will get pretty boring pretty fast. You're already probably bored. Onaden. Not Aladdin. It's Onaden. One Night at 13 Inches. Okay, it's not like anything special. It's not like a game I put effort into before you start thinking that. Just want to get that out. Um, yeah, um, I don't know if you guys can hear the background. Hopefully you can because I don't think I'll be allowed to upload this. Uh, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let's see if I can just like sew this up magically. Let's see that. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It automatically sewed itself. There's my little security guard's face. Yeah, I'd say when you're done trying to sew the hat on him, I'd say, okay, this was a lot of excess thread. I might have underestimated that. I might have overestimated that hat. God. So much. Ugh. My legs are hurt. Um, so guys, I'll be right back. Okay, um, um, yeah, this is gonna get really good. So you'd basically just sew 3 sides of the square and leave 1 open side so you can stuff it. And then once you stuff it, you're done. After you sew it back. So I'll be right back when I'm done sewing it. So once you're done sewing it, every side but leaving 1 side open. Like that. Sewing until you leave 1 little spot open. You take your stuffing, put it into that gap that you left open. And then you let it shut for a minute. I'm getting more thread. I'm not going to need that much more thread to just stitch 1 last side, but I'll be right back when I'm done sewing. So once you're done, it'll look something like this, maybe. This is what mine looks like, all stuffed up. I kind of like this guy. He's pretty cute. Maybe, I guess, a little security guard. I might do like an Aladdin plush episode with my One Night at Derpy Ninjas plushies. I might make a One Night at Derpy Ninjas plush episode. My new guy, he's pretty cute. I like him. And that is how you make one of these little mini plushies. I decided I'd make a tutorial because I had nothing to do. It's just a random Thursday night. It's like 9 o'clock, 9:30. Whoa. And I didn't want to waste my time on anything, so I just made another one of these, and I really like these because they're super cute, and I made them. That makes them special. So that was how you make the security guard from One Night at Derpy Ninjas or FNAF or whatever security guard plushie. Without any further talking, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it and hope you make one of these for yourself. So, goodbye.